We made it to the waterfall. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that clear water. It is just so beautiful here. Serene. The waterfall coming down. Look at this. Look at him. Can you see him? Wait, can I see him in the camera? I can see his red headed out the camera. He's coming up the rocks over there, look. So fun. I gotta put my feet in this. This is just so beautiful. It's cold. Look how cold. But it is so worth it. Look how beautiful. Clear water. It's a little slippery, so I'm walking with care. But it is amazingly beautiful. It was worth the hike. I'm about to climb up there and see.